thing that one has to understand is that in Africa you have to follow the urban consumer. So the countries that are the most profitable are those who have already an important urban consumer class and that are very diversified, not commodity countries. And in that countries you have mostly, I would say, two main hubs in Africa, West Africa and East Africa. In these two regions you have the beginning of regional markets, typically Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and the Lake region is the first hub. And the second one is Francophone West Africa, plus Ghana and Nigeria. Nigeria is suffering today, but clearly the Francophone West Africa region is fast booming today. Africa is becoming more and more mainstream and global. So you see a lot of new players investing in the continent. A first wave, which is a very interesting one, is the intracontinental. You see, for example, North African country, Morocco is a very good example, investing very heavily on the continent. You're beginning to see some Asian players in the industry, but you see also North American big US funds beginning to enter in the market. So yes, fortunately, we are not anymore in the post-colonial links, and it's a very open and vibrant market now. I think it went very, very well. What is very interesting is to see that, in fact, in private equity, you have very strong trends wherever you are geographically based. Clearly, it's an industry where you create value by identifying good players and by helping them to grow through buy and builds. And in these buy and builds, there is obviously bridges to be linked between Europe and Africa. A lot of clients or investees of the private equity group that we have seen today that are investing in Europe are companies who want to invest in Africa, and the working between, I would say, Pan-African equity funds and European equity funds could help doing buy and builds in both directions.